Good day, my friends. Good day, South Africa. Let me be honest with you for a moment. The cost of living in South Africa continues to rise while our wages remain stagnant. The cost of living in South Africa continues to rise while our wages remain stagnant. Food costs more, electricity costs more, fuel costs more, even school expenses keep on rising. But yet most people's income doesn't change as much. The reality is that depending on one source of income is one of the biggest financial risks we are faced with today. Now, here I'm not saying quit your job. In fact, hold on to your job. But what if you could create an additional income stream alongside your 9 to 5? Start a business of your own in the comfort of your home using nothing other than your smartphone. Now, here you don't need a degree. You don't need financial experience or business acumen. You don't need to have special skills. All you need to have is the willingness to learn and the defined desire to want to change your financial circumstances and create a better life for yourself and your families. Now, the greatest advantage of this is that you won't be doing it alone. You'll become part of a supportive community of ordinary South Africans that are learning, growing and helping each other, encouraging one another and changing the trajectory of their lives one step at a time. Now, the question isn't whether the cost of living in South Africa will continue to rise. The question is, what are you doing today to increase your income? If you are tired of just surviving and open to learning about a legitimate opportunity to create an additional income stream alongside your 9 to 5, in the comfort of your home, using the power of your smartphone, then connect with us. For more info, comment info below or simply hop into my bio, take down our digits, send us a message via the green app, comment or text more info please, and we'll share all the details with you. This information is absolutely free. Here then you will also have the chance to do your own research and due diligence and come to a conclusion whether this opportunity is a fit for you. It is advisable that you do your own research so that you can investigate whether the opportunity, the business platform, or even the company itself aligns with your moral values. Remember, financial freedom and the creation of financial stability in your life is a journey. So we welcome you on this journey. We thank you in advance for joining us on this journey and we look forward to our next steps together. Guys, the opportunity